Yeah, one nail. The thing I'm looking forward to least, caulking. So I'm just gonna start in a small area, one bedroom at a time. Only noticeable areas. Keep in mind, this is not what I would do to my house. This is what you do to this house. There's a ton of equity in this house already. Probably upwards of $250,000 of equity in this house. Maybe even more. It doesn't give them a return on their investment to have me or anybody else do high-level work. It keeps me busy every hour of the day, 365, except when I'm filming for the SSTC. Here's an example of things that I'm targeting. Things like loose little trim boards, all this stuff needs to at least get nailed in. Going around with my 18 gauge, that was a 1 3/4, might even be 2 inches. And getting all this stuff fastened in, trying to get it nice and tight like that, so I can come back and just smear a little bit of caulk on there, and that seam will go away. So when the painters come, they'll spray right over that. Now, the painters might do some minor caulking, but they are definitely not going to be addressing things like this and things like that. The thickness of this wall does not meet the thickness of this jamb. So this has to go like this. I can't tap this side in because there's the wall there, the actual drywall. So this is how I do it. This is a perfect example of a DIY project. Take a look at those nails. Those are not pneumatic nails. Someone hammered these in with an actual hammer. See how long they are? They're not even long enough to go into the stud, the bottom plate, nothing. Watching too much HGTV. Another one. Yeah, one nail. Time to caulk it in. Now, interesting, there is different baseboard in one of those bedrooms. So my guess is, I don't know. I always try to figure out what's going on. But that bedroom has builder installed baseboard. This one doesn't, this hallway doesn't, that bedroom doesn't. Things are improving slightly. All these trim pieces out here in the hallway, they are not loose, but they've got massive gaps. So that's where the caulk comes in. Caulk also works as an adhesive. You can use painter's caulk and stick a lot of things in place. Now this room has been repainted at some point in time, and the base is caulked and nicely painted to the wall actually. It's just these little decorative pieces that I got to hit up in this room. So it's good that I started in the worst room and working my way to easier areas. I have a feeling this was a stain packaged house. Yeah, and they switched it to paint. See these door jambs here? That's stained wood, and you can actually see through the paint here as well as over here that this was probably a stain package house. And they, yeah, oh yeah. You can see right around the hinges here where they painted around there, and you can see the stained. Yep, handyman investigation is conclusive. So this is the builder installed stained baseboard. You can see where they painted over the top of carpet. And this is the original kind of lower profile base. They don't have the little frilly little things in this room. Maybe they just had that on there where they glued it back in place. That's a big gap. Alrighty, gotta make it to my party. Definitely gonna be late, but I will make it. Hopefully you're gonna stick around in this video series. It's gonna be kind of a day by day, bit by bit, and every bit will have something of value. Check your rentals, check your houses, check your faucets, and check them often. Like, subscribe, bell. We'll be back here tomorrow night after. We spend most of the day on the SSTC. Haven't brought that up very often. No spots left, you just gotta find it on your own. If you sweet talk me, maybe I'll send you the link. Goodbye.